You wanna go outside? A little bit foggy today. I got up later today. I felt good to kind of sleep in. It's like 8:30. So, okay, I'm gonna go in and make some breakfast. We'll see you at breakfast time. I have a serious problem this morning. Mylie can't find her toy. I think it may be outside possibly. When Nick let her out, he probably didn't tell her to drop it, and she lost it outside. So now there she is carrying a washcloth around because... Oh, I'm talking next. Don't be rude. Don't be rude. I know you want to eat. Hold on. We have to go out and search for her toy to find it. So I'll let you know if we find it. Time for breakfast. Coffee is brewing. The Activia is seriously 5 points. I don't know where... I know somebody had some Activia that was only like 2 points. If you know of any yogurt that's low points, let me know. Because 5 points is way too high for breakfast for a yogurt. So I'm going to eat them anyway because I got to, I don't want to waste them. So I'm having the 5-point yogurt, 3 points of the dark chocolate clusters from Kind, and that's 1/3 of a cup. My coffee, which is 1 point. I keep saying that coffee is 2 points, but it's actually only 1 because I put 1 tablespoon of peppermint creamer in and 1/4 cup of the Premier Protein, which is 1. And 1 tablespoon of the creamer is nothing. So that's 1 point coffee. Total of 9 points. And I will see you guys all for lunch. The dogs have ate. Mylie's very depressed because she can't find her toy. So I have to search after breakfast to find her toy. We'll see you for snack. Do you have any idea where your toy is? Where's your toy? Where's your toy, Mylie? We can't find it. Where'd you put it? Where is it? I'm sorry. Max is still working on his minty breath. Good boy, Max. You're gonna have some good smelling breath. Guys, my video that I started uploading last night is just now getting done, and it's processing now. And it's 9:12 in the morning. So yeah, takes so long. I don't know if you can see all the spots on the window up there. That is where birds are hitting our picture window. It's crazy how many times a bird will hit our window and they just fly off. So we've never had one kill itself yet, thank goodness, but got tons of birds out here this morning. Oh, I'm sorry, Mylie. Look, guys, we found her toy. Nick found it downstairs in the laundry room. Now our tails are going. Thank you, Nick. By the way, guys, I did not finish all of this. It was just too sweet. I put this chocolate stuff in it too, so the granola stuff, and it felt like I was eating sugar and chocolate, which I guess I really was. But it was way too sweet, so I didn't eat it all. I don't know, maybe Nick would like the yogurt and he can have it. But yeah, I tried. So if you know of any low sugar yogurts out there, I'm gonna try my the stuff I got the other day and check the points on that too, and we'll see if maybe I can just add a little maple syrup and make it a little lower on points, but we'll see. I'll let you know. I'm gonna have a snack here in a little bit because I gotta take off and bring my mother-in-law to the doctor. Okay, guys, snack is gonna be a quick bowl of cereal, Special K, with 1% half cup of milk. And then I'm bringing this along with me because it's probably going to be late by the time I get back, so I'll have a late lunch. So that is all for the snack, and I will see you after I get home. Hi guys, I am back from bringing my mother-in-law to her appointment. Decided to try out the 2 shots of espresso thing with the protein chocolate shake, and we'll see how I like it. I'll be bringing you back for lunch. You guys, thank you, thank you, thank you. Whoever thought of this is genius, because this is delicious. So thank you for sharing that. She is so happy now we found her toy. I know, Mylie. Good afternoon. I am having lunch. I love this stuff. So I'm trying not to drink it so fast because I love it. It's so good. I'm having one of my meals again. I love those. I feel bad that I love them so much because they're probably not good for me, but they're really good. 7 smart points for that. I've got a huge salad this time, so a lot of mixed greens and spinach in there. And I'm going to add, for tonight, I'm going to have this for supper as well. I'm going to add some green peppers in there too. I've got this as the salad dressing because we don't have anything else. So this is 5 smart points for 2 tablespoons. So I did put 2 tablespoons on there. We'll see. I've got like 3 or 4 cups of the mixed greens in there. And I've got the Organic Girl. 0 smart points, of course. I don't know. When I scanned that, it came up as 1 smart point. I don't know why it would have came up as 1 smart point. But it looked like somebody else had put it in. So even though I scanned that like that, I don't know. It was weird. So anyway, I have the salad topping. I have 1 1/4 teaspoon of that, and that's 1 smart point. So 1, 6, 13, and then this is 2, so 15. I think I got everything in there. So 15 for lunch, that's not too bad. I still have a lot of points left for dinner, and I'll probably just fry up some chicken and just throw it in a salad. So that'll probably be my dinner for tonight. But that is it, folks. And yeah, Mylie found her toy. Yeah, we're out taking a walk. Got the dog with us, got Nick with us, and Nick's talking to Grandpa. Checking out the deer trail. Well guys, today I walked a lot longer than I normally could, so that's cool. We're heading back home. Picking up all the garbage. He's such a good boy. I love you, Nick. Come on, Max, let's go. Some of the litter we collected on our trip. Well, my son collected it, so good for him. Okay guys, it is almost dinner time. I am late at having my snack, so probably have a really late dinner. I'm going with the sandwich again with peanut butter, just peanut butter on there, because I'm in a carb mood, I guess. I don't know. Crackers, 15 of them. These are 3 points. These Swiss wedges are 3 points for 2. Bread is 4. And I believe the peanut butter is 3 points. So 3, 3, 3, and 4. So 13 smart points for this snack. It's going to be kind of a dinner too, I think. But I'm going to have, for dinner, I'm just going to fry up a little bit of chicken and throw it in a salad, and that it will be my dinner, and I will reach 0 smart points at the end of the night. And I am learning about 1 point wraps from the Motivated Bears. Thank you so much, Motivated Bears, because I cannot find 1 point wraps. So I'm going to head to Walmart the next time I'm in town, and hopefully they will have those same wraps. So thank you, because I love wraps, and they're so much less than bread. Okay, see you in a little bit. You guys, I just got a package in the mail. My husband ordered me a Gorilla Pod and a microphone. Very cool. I'm so happy, because that other tripod is so humongous. So I can't wait to try this out, and maybe I'll have a little more study videos. But awesome. Thank you, honey. He's not home. I really miss him. I can't wait to see him in a couple days. It seems like it's going so slow. But okay, I'll be back in a little bit. I'm gonna start making dinner here. It's already 6:30, I think. And I just realized I have to run into town again tomorrow because I gotta go get money out of the bank and get my grocery list for the 2 weeks. So hopefully I don't have to run back into town again, but I'm sure I will have to because, well, Mondays I always go in for weigh-in in my meeting, so I will have to run in for that. But okay, I'll be back in a little bit and show you my dinner. I really like this thing. It's not very long, but it works. And I can hold you quite a ways away. Hi guys, just making some dinner. And I just put some salt, pepper, and a little soy sauce on there. This is for my salad, so just something to give it a little bit of flavor. So I love soy sauce. Not too much, like just a little dash of it, but it looks like I put a lot in there. I really didn't. Like 2 little shakes is all I put. It's getting there. That's just a touch over 3 ounces of chicken right there. It's just about done. It looks good when it's nice and brown. Take it off the burner. Looks perfect. Be making up the salad in a minute. I'll show you when I get done. Hey guys, that is my supper for the night. 2 cups of the mixed greens with spinach, 3 ounces of chicken meat, fried up with a little Pam. So that's 1 point there. 0 points for the salad. I only put a tablespoon of ranch sauce on there. And I put the light creamy ranch. And I believe this is 1 smart point. It's 2 smart points for 2 tablespoons. So yeah, that would be 1 smart point. And green peppers and onions. So that is my supper for the night, and I think I will be done because I'm out of points. I had a really large snack earlier, and it is 7 o'clock. So this will be my last meal of the night. And that is 2 smart points total. Got on my elliptical, guys. I'm watching some YouTube videos. So, yeah, finally. I'm going to close up the vlog here. I'm going to say goodnight, and I will see you tomorrow morning. Nothing else to eat, so I'm at 0 points left. I used 44, so everything went terrific tonight. We'll see you tomorrow.